In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set a back tap to turn on the flashlight on your new iPhone. This feature lets you activate the torch with just a double or triple tap on the back of your phone, so let's begin. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and go to Accessibility. Under Physical and Motor, select Touch. Next, scroll down and choose Back Tap. You'll see two options, double tap and triple tap. Click on double tap. From the list, choose Torch. Now, every time you double tap the back of your iPhone, the flashlight will turn on or off. If you prefer, you can also use triple tap for this action. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.